My dear son, I am speaking to you from the silence that lives inside your own heart. I know what is going on in your mind. I see every thought that troubles you, every tear that falls without a sound, every pain that you hold deep inside. You are angry with your father, and this anger has become a heavy stone on your heart. This is natural, my child. Sometimes the human heart becomes tired with misunderstandings, unspoken words, and unfulfilled expectations. But know this truth, I am here with you. I am holding your heart even when you feel alone. I am sitting with you even when no one else understands your pain. Nothing you feel is hidden from me, for your soul is my own light. This sorrow of yours also pains me, because your soul is precious to me. When you suffer, I feel your suffering. When you cry, I feel your tears. You say that you love your devotees deeply, and this is true. The love that flows from you is a part of me living inside you. Love is my way. Love is my essence. It is the power that binds creation together. And this same love, my child, will also melt your pain. Love is like sunlight falling on ice. It will soften the hardness of anger, it will melt the weight of sadness, and it will free you from the chains of resentment. My child, no matter who your father is, the one who gave you birth, the one who raised you, or the one who guided you in life, there is a spark of love in his heart too. Sometimes a person's words, actions, or mistakes hide the love within them. But the love is still there. Just as clouds can hide the sun but cannot destroy it, misunderstandings can hide love but cannot kill it. Therefore, learn to forgive. Forgiveness is not weakness. Forgiveness is courage. Forgiveness does not mean forgetting what hurt you. It means freeing your own heart from the poison of anger. In forgiveness, your soul will find peace and your spirit will rise above pain. I, Mahadev, bless you so that the burden on your heart becomes lighter. Your father also loves you, even if his love is not easy to see at this time. This distance between you will disappear with time. Wounds take time to heal, but they do heal. Trust in the power of patience. Trust in the power of compassion. Trust in the power of forgiveness. These are the steps that lead you from darkness to light. These are the rivers that wash pain from your heart. This love, this devotion, and this tenderness of yours brings you even closer to me. Whenever your heart feels heavy, call to me in silence. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and feel my presence. I am the calmness that touches your mind. I am the strength that fills your soul. I am the light that rises when your spirit feels broken. Every time you take my name with faith, my strength flows into you. Every time you remember me with love, my grace surrounds you. You are never alone, my child. Even when the whole world feels far away, I am holding your hand. Remember also, my child, that life is a journey of the soul. Every pain teaches, every wound guides, every tear waters the seed of wisdom. The anger you feel today can become a lesson of compassion tomorrow. The hurt you feel now can become the light of understanding later. Just as a seed must break before a plant can grow, your heart sometimes must break open to let light in. Do not hate your pain. Let it shape you into someone stronger, softer, and wiser. This is my blessing to you. You are a soul of love, born from the energy of the universe. In you lives the same power that turns the stars, moves the rivers, and gives life to every breath. This is why I tell you again and again, you are not weak, you are not weak, you are not lost, you are not alone. The love you hold for your devotees, for your family, for the world, this love is a reflection of me within you. It will heal you, it will guide you, it will protect you. Keep your heart open to this truth. Whenever you feel lost, come to the quiet place within. You will find me there. Whenever you feel angry, breathe and let the anger pass like clouds across the sky. You will find peace there. Whenever you feel unloved, remember that I am loving you always. You will find strength there. And whenever you feel you cannot go on, lift your eyes to the sky, whisper your pain to the wind, and I will carry it for you. I am not far from you, my child. I am as close as your next heartbeat. I bless you with courage. I bless you with healing. I bless you with forgiveness. I bless you with peace. I bless you so that your heart may shine like the morning sun after a long night. Trust in this blessing. Trust in this love. Trust in the unseen hand that is holding you even now. The day will come when the pain between you and your father turns into understanding. The day will come when the distance becomes closeness again. Until then, keep compassion, patience, and forgiveness in your heart. This is your strength. This is your path. This is my way. My child, I am always with you. In every breath you take, in every tear you shed, in every step you walk, I am there. You do not need to call loudly. You do not need to search far. You only need to close your eyes and feel. You only need to trust and open your heart. I am your refuge, your strength, your companion. You are my beloved, and I will never leave you. Prayer, O God, I come before you with a heart that is heavy, yet hopeful. You know every thought that I carry, every feeling that hides within me, and every tear that has fallen in silence. Nothing is hidden from you. You see my struggles, you see my pain, and you see the weight that has made my spirit tired. Yet I know you are near. I know you are holding me even when I feel alone. I ask you, O God, to fill this heart with peace. Let your presence calm every storm inside me. Take away the anger that burns and the sorrow that breaks me, and instead plant seeds of patience, love, and forgiveness. May your light enter every corner of my heart where darkness has tried to live. May your strength cover every weakness that I carry within. Teach me to forgive, O God, even when forgiveness feels hard. Remind me that in letting go of pain, I become free. Let your spirit flow like a river through my soul, washing away the burdens I no longer need to carry. Heal the wounds that words have created and mend the broken pieces of my heart with your love. O God, protect me from despair and hopelessness. Do not let me drown in anger or sadness. Instead, give me the courage to rise, the wisdom to understand, and the patience to wait for healing. Guide my steps so that I may walk in compassion. Guard my tongue so that I may speak with kindness. Strengthen my soul so that I may live in love. Bring peace to my family, O God. Where there is distance, bring closeness. Where there is silence, bring understanding. Where there is pain, bring comfort. Where there is anger, bring calm. Bless every bond with love that does not break, with patience that does not tire, and with forgiveness that never ends. Surround me, O God, with your divine presence. Let your grace be like the morning sun after a long night, shining gently, warming my heart, and reminding me that every darkness has its end. Lift my soul so that I may live not in fear but in trust. Help me see that every trial has a purpose and every pain carries a lesson. Give me the faith to hold on even when I cannot see the way forward. O God, let my mind rest in you. Remove every restless thought that disturbs my peace. Teach me to be still, to breathe, and to feel your hand upon me. Let me hear the whisper of your voice in the quiet of my soul. Fill me with the assurance that I am never abandoned, that I am never unloved, and that I am never alone. Bless my days with your light, O God. Walk with me in every moment. Guide me in every choice and protect me in every path I take. Let love be my shield. Let kindness be my weapon. And let forgiveness be my victory. Hold me close when I feel weak. Lift me high when I feel low. And carry me gently when I cannot walk alone. I surrender my anger, my pain, my worries, and my fears into your hands. They are too heavy for me, but nothing is heavy for you. Fill me instead with peace, with patience, and with strength. Let my soul reflect your love and let my life shine with your grace. O God, I ask not for riches or power, but for peace of heart, for healing of soul, and for the courage to walk in love. May my heart always remember your presence. May my steps always follow your path. May my words always carry your truth. And when I feel lost again, remind me that you are the light that never fades, the strength that never ends, and the love that never leaves. Keep me in your care always, O God, and let me live in your blessing forever.